2 and 5 are factors of 10 because they multiply together to make 10. In algebra, 2 and x plus 7 are factors of 2x plus 14 because they multiply to make that expression. When we go from this form to this form, we are expanding. When we go from this form to this form, we are factorizing. When we're factorizing an expression, we need to look for a common factor of all the terms. Notice that 15 and 10 are both multiples of 5, so 5 is a common factor. We can use a multiplication grid to help us. Write the factor on the left-hand side. 5 multiplied by something gives 15a. If we start with 5, then to get 15a, we need to multiply it by 3 and by a. Next, 5 multiplied by something gives 10, so the something must be 2. Now we can write down the answer. The factor goes outside the brackets and the other terms go inside the brackets. So the factorized expression is 5 multiplied by 3a plus 2. To factorize this expression, start by looking for common factors of 16x and negative 24y. The common factors of 16 and 24 are 2, 4 and 8. To factorize fully, we choose the highest common factor, which is 8, so write this in the grid. Now work out what must go in the top row to give us 16x and negative 24y. To get from 8 to 16x, we need to multiply it by 2 and by x. To get from 8 to negative 24y, we need to multiply it by negative 3 and by y. So the factorized expression is 8 multiplied by 2x minus 3y. We could factorize the expression using a common factor of 2. Or 4. But the answers would not be fully factorized because the terms inside the brackets still have a common factor. In this example, we need to factorize an expression that has 3 terms. Look for the highest common factor of all the terms. The highest common factor of 30, 40 and 20 is 10. Now work out what must go in the top row. To get from 10 to 30s, we need to multiply it by 3 and by s. To get from 10 to 40t, we need to multiply it by 4 and by t. To get from 10 to negative 20v, we need to multiply it by negative 2 and by v. So the factorized expression is 10 multiplied by 3s plus 4t minus 2v.